Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching the newly dropped trailer of Good Bad Ugly. This is upcoming film of Ajit and Trisha, and this is directed by Adik Ravichandran. And from the teaser we saw that it's very wacky, very colorful, action-packed, high octane. And when it comes to Adik Ravichandran, now I have only seen one film of his, which is Mark Anthony. So and in I remember watching the trailer for this Mark Anthony, and I remember saying that this is the kind of film which either you will hate or love. And when I had watched it, because I couldn't catch it in the theaters, but I watched it on OTT, it was quite wacky, and S.J. Surya's character was just absolutely operating at 100, right? So that is the kind of storytelling not a lot of people like, but I personally enjoy it a lot, which is very out of the box, and the colors are really bright, and just the whole picturization, it's very edgy and quite quirky. So when I had watched the Good Bad Ugly teaser, I also got a little bit of feel of that edginess and quirkiness, but I thought, okay, let me just wait for the trailer, let's see what happens in the trailer. So yeah, it's not very long duration, just 2 minutes, so let's watch this right away. Okay.
ஏகே
Shine
சார்
is there.
இப்பதான் உங்க
Jackie Shroff
வரலாறு
is
எடுத்து
there.
பார்த்தேன்.
Oh,
நீ
Arjun
பெரிய
Das.
வில்லன்னு கேள்விப்பட்டேன். ஆனா என் கேம்ல நான் தான்டா உனக்கு வில்லன். This is my fucking game.
So sweet.
எங்க அப்பாவை கார்ல இருந்து நடு ரோட்ல தள்ளி விட்டதே அவர்தான்.
தம் எனக்காக விட்டேன், சரக்கு என் வைஃப்காக விட்டேன், வயலன்ஸ் என் பையனுக்காக விட்டேன். ஆனா என் பையனுக்கு ஒண்ணுனா விட்டதை தொட்டுதானே ஆகணும்.
ஏகே வராரு, வழி விடுறா.
10 கிலோ கறி வேணும் பாய்.
இருங்க பாய்.
சார், உங்க கார்டு மேல ஒரு 16 நம்பர் இருக்கும். அந்த 16 நம்பர் கொஞ்சம் சொல்றீங்களா சார்?
Okay.
அவன் பயத்துக்கே பயம் காட்டுறவன்.
கை இருக்கும், கால் இருக்கும், மூக்கு இருக்கும், மொழி இருக்கும், ஆனா உயிர்
Yeah, it's very large than life.
ரொம்ப வருஷம் ஆச்சுல. I miss you.
So many films releasing on 10th. I don't know which one I'll watch first, depending on the time actually. Depending on the time. Okay, let me just stop this. Exactly what I was talking about, the wackiness and quirkiness of the film. This has all of that. This has all of that. You can feel that there's going to be a lot of slapstick kind of comedy. Maybe there's going to be a callback of older Ajit films. I don't know, but maybe I'll miss out on those. A couple of them, because I've not watched all of his filmography. If you see everybody's looks, everybody's outfits, the set design, the color composition, everything is just larger than life, and also everything seems very heightened. It actually is giving me the feeling of Mark Anthony. In fact, I'm also getting reminded of another Malayalam film, which is Thallumala. That was also very quirky, and everything, like every action was heightened to the max. I somehow feel that we are going to get that kind of movie which is on the same tonality basically. Loving Arjun Das as the villain, loving the entire look, loving Ajit's entire look. I feel that we are going to see obviously his whole storyline and his whole arc, where we know that he was probably in the underworld or in the mafia, but he was a gangster, and then he left it. He has left that entire world. Now he is leading like a very normal, chill kind of life. But something happens to the son. He gets dragged into that whole mess, and Arjun Das obviously is probably holding him in some sort of hostage situation. And Ajit is like, fine. I am just going to incinerate everyone because this is my son. I had left it all behind, but because my son's life is at stake or whatever is at stake, yeah, I have to return back. And then he goes all guns blazing and he seems to be having fun. He's like, okay, maybe I feel that he's gonna be okay. I was missing it. I kind of missed it. I left it, yes, I know, but I kind of missed it. I'm having fun incinerating all of you baddies. So obviously, it is the anti-hero to hero arc for Ajit. Specifically for Ajit, because he was clearly a villain. That is what Arjun Das is telling, that oh, I looked up your history and you are quite the villain, but for you now in this game I am your villain. So yeah, we know the setup. They didn't give out too much what are the stakes and all, but we just know the basic premise. We know the basic premise, and yeah, I think it's going to be a fun ride, because if you see the music used, and I loved how in the music also every punch was kind of coordinated with the music, with the beat, with the rhythm. And even the cuts were happening like that. So the way it is edited out, the trailer, and the way the music has been incorporated, it's quite fun. So it's a very fun, energetic, wacky, quirky trailer. So that is the tonality of the film. And I think we are going to probably have a lot of blast in the theater while watching this movie. I wish nothing but a huge success for this film. I hope it doesn't meet the same fate as Vida Muyeshi, which was another film. I defend that film with all my heart and might. Yes, and I will always defend that film. So I hope it doesn't meet the same fate, and it's like this huge blockbuster that we want from Ajit. Basically, we want from an Ajit movie. So yeah, that was my trailer reaction. That was my breakdown. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.